Let's have a look at the G major arpeggio. Remember, for arpeggios, we're just playing the first note, the third note, and the fifth note of the scale, one after the other. Here are the notes, and here are the fingers for the right hand. We're just using thumb, finger 1, finger 2, and finger 3. And then when we get to the D, we'll pop our thumb under back to the G, and then up to the top G. Third finger on the D, second on the B, thumb on the G, finger over to 3, just like this. Great way to learn the notes of your major chords. Let's have a look at the left hand, starting on this G, which is 2 G's below middle C. There are the notes, there are the fingers, starting on the G with your little finger, B with your fourth finger, D with your second finger, and up to G with your thumb. Then go over to fourth finger and finish. Back down. 1, 2, 4, and finish. I'll play that again. Alright, let's do 2 hands together. Exactly the same fingering that we used for the C major scale. And if you want to take your arpeggios out to 3 or 4 octaves, go right ahead. The notes and the fingering is exactly the same. You just repeat the same pattern over and over again. So I'll just go straight to 4 octaves, 2 hands together.